Hey guys, we had a question in the group the other day. Somebody was asking about heel slides, and she was saying that when she tried to do heel slides in the clinic, her pain was through the roof, but she could do all sorts of other stuff like squats and letting the knee hang. So I just want to show you a variation on a heel slide. I'm not really a big fan of heel slides anyway. So here's my leg. Let's say this is my surgical side. Heel slides would be maybe I put something, I have a sock on, I slide back, I slide forward, maybe I'm using a strap with it to get some assistance. I'll tell you what I like better anyway. I like, instead of moving the foot, I like moving the body. So let's say you get into this same position, but then what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of pick up your hips just a little bit, and you're gonna slide your body toward your heel instead of sliding your heel toward your body. There's a couple reasons why this might be more effective for you. You're gonna use more muscles. You're gonna have the upper body, you're gonna have the core, the glutes, the hamstrings, everything working. The other leg is gonna be working also. Our bodies tend to respond better when we have multiple joints, multiple muscle groups working together. But then also you just have a little more control over it. So my quadricep muscle, when I'm doing a classic heel slide and pulling in, my quad isn't really doing anything. The quad is loose, the hamstring is doing all the work. But when I'm up and I'm moving my body forward, my quad and hamstring and glute and calf and everything else are working together. So if you just absolutely want to get this exercise and you want to try and achieve it, try it like this. Try to move the body, leave the foot stationary instead of moving the foot and keeping the body stationary. Let me know how it goes. Thanks so much for your support. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next answer to the next question. Thanks, guys.